Yeah, I'm gonna shit if something jumps out in front of me here. Interesting. I'm only like 4 feet off the ground. I'll go up just a little bit here. Work our way down this path. It's a path to a gas well. Oh, this is creepy. Man, the winds are really picking up. Well, I made it back into the field. I lost signal there for a second. That's because it was so low to the ground, and there was a lot of trees and bushes in my way. It's going down some, about 60 feet in height, altitude. 30 feet, right around 20. Take a look. Gosh, this is like all one boring color. Any trackways in this stuff? Should be kind of soft. Hard to tell. Been wanting to take a peek down in these woods too. I'm up 78 feet, connected to 18 satellites, so I'm good there. Just watch so I don't run into any trees while I'm looking down on the ground. See if we can get a straight shot down. Yeah. Let's move a little bit. Still got 8.5 minutes left of flight time. Okay, I got out of that section of woods. Check over in here. Gas well. Six minutes left on battery. I'm up 90 feet. I'm about a half mile away. Winds are picking up because I'm getting warnings on my screen.